Do you see the cat in the tree? There is a cat up there. Somewhere there, right? This cat and Royal has a lot in common. Look. Hey, kitty. Meow. Meow. Can you see the cat? Oh, there it is. There it is. Only God knows what the fuck the cat is doing inside the tree. But it's a very cute one because you don't typically see cats in the trees, right? Or do you? Oh, no. Hello? Anybody home? Yeah. Maybe it's eating something in there. What is the spiritual significance of a cat climbing a tree? Maybe these cuties know. Those cuties. Those pigeons. Oh, look, look, look. Uh-huh. Hello. 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 What are you doing up there in the trees? Huh? Hello. Hey, cutie. It's coming down. Oh, there it is. Where's it going? It's playing with the... Can you see that cat? Playing with the... What is it called? Playing with Dush. Yeah. Now it's there saying hi to the girls. Oh no. Oh. Where does this thing go? It's walking next to this canal. So yeah, have you ever seen a cat climbing a tree? And why the fuck were the ancient Egyptians obsessed with cats? Why? Really? Oh. Why the fuck were the priests in ancient Egypt so obsessed with cats? Why? What is the significance of all those breeding of the cats and then mummifying them and then like, I don't know, hundreds and thousands of them came to the UK. I mean, back in the days they bought them, right, very cheap, and then the mummified cats went into the soil of the UK. Something to do with unity, right? So yeah, can anybody fucking answer the question? Why the fuck were ancient Egypt obsessed with cats? Oh, this place is amazing. Can you hear the sound? So go on, answer. It has something to do with Shiva, or Shiva Transcendental. There is something the ancient Egyptians, specifically the high priests and priestesses, knew about cats, and specifically how cats satiate and how cats are divine, that they were apparently obsessed and mummified so much of them. Where the fuck am I? Oh. And mummified them. And basically cats are like the royalty animals, right? But there was one specific tomb, Wahdi's tomb, or in the Sahara tomb, right? Sahara desert. They found a baby lion mummified. Like, why the fuck would you guys put a baby lion mummified mixed with the fucking cats? You know, who the fuck did that? And why the fuck was it discovered only in the recent years? Why? Why was Wahdi's tomb recently discovered? Why was Wahdi obsessed so much with himself? Why the fuck was he calling himself the overseer? The overseer of the field? Wahdi, the overseer of the field, right? Wahdi, the high priest for the king or some shit. Wahdi, Wahdi was with the judges, right? So, yeah. Some questions about ancient Egypt. Oh, just look at that building. Look at that. Pretty cool design. Leonardo hotels. Pretty cool design, right? Because if you watch the documentary Secrets of the Sahara Deserts or Sahara Tomb, specifically Wahdi's tomb, the way it is designed, it has a very special transcendental purpose apparently. It is apparently telling some story about the field of reeds and the hereafter, and the feather of Ma'at and the feather of justice and all that. So yeah, let Royal know in the comments, what do you feel is the spiritual significance or the significance of cats in general and their purpose? And also, why do you feel like the ancient Egypt were so fucking obsessed with cats that they were technically breeding them? They were technically doing genetic modifications, right? And breeding cats with cats and multiplying them and replicating them and cloning them and then mummifying them. Why? Right? And then why were so many cats, like hundreds and thousands of them, brought from Egypt to the UK, and then they basically just dumped them in the fields, and the mummified cats went into the soil of the UK, and it's kind of like been enriching it and all that. That's really it. Some questions. And if you're new to the self-transcendence mastery Tulu reason, also called self-transcendence mastery with Royal Anwar Prakriti, also called self-transcendence mastery with transcendence Ra, R-A, Ra, the Amun Ra, the sun god Ra. Ra is a shortcut for Royal Anwar, by the way, not Ra himself or itself or and all that. And maybe this guy is, but fuck that, right? Yeah, this basically means you subscribe if you haven't, of course, and also that bell notification thing, like ding ding, make sure you turn that on, because you can see all this content's being published and fun and entertaining and all that, right? And then make sure you kind of like this video, right? If you like it. Almost got run over by the car doing some promotion in this video. That one is gonna hit me probably. If you don't like the video at all, that's okay, you can dislike it, right? That's cool. And also in the comment below, as always, write down 2 to 5 things or even 13 things that you totally enjoyed, you liked, and the ideas, the concepts and all that, and also some feedback, some suggestions to improve. And that is it for this one. Bye bye.